Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a super practical topic: how to change your Citibank debit card PIN in 2025. With increasing concerns about online security, keeping your PIN updated is a smart move to protect your account. Whether you're doing this because you suspect unauthorized access or just want a fresh start, I'll walk you through the process step by step. It's quick, easy, and can be done right from your phone or computer. Let's get started. First things first, make sure you have the latest Citibank app installed on your smartphone or access to the Citibank website. If you're using the app, open it and log in with your username and password. For added security, you might need to enable two-factor authentication, which Citibank often requires in 2025. Once you're logged in, navigate to the Accounts or Cards section. Look for your debit card details. It's usually under a menu like Manage Cards or Security Settings. Tap on that, and you'll see an option to Change PIN. Select it, and the app will prompt you to enter your current PIN for verification. This is a crucial step to ensure only you can make changes. Now, here's where the fun begins. You'll be asked to create a new 4 to 6 digit PIN. Remember, it should be something memorable but not obvious, like your birth date. Enter your new PIN, then confirm it by typing it in again. Citibank might send a one-time verification code to your registered mobile number or email, so keep an eye on that. Once you enter the code, hit Submit, and voila, your PIN is updated. If you prefer not to use the app, you can visit a Citibank ATM or branch. At an ATM, insert your card, enter your current PIN, and look for the Change PIN option on the screen. Follow the prompts there. In a branch, a representative can assist you, but this might take a bit longer. And there you have it. Your Citibank debit card PIN is now changed and more secure than ever. Always remember to keep your PIN private and avoid writing it down. If you run into any issues, Citibank's customer support is just a call away. Thanks for watching. If this helped you, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more financial tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Stay safe out there.